When my grandson, Max, told his mother, Andrea, to donate any check she would give him for his 21st birthday, Andrea got an idea. She handed Max's brother Charlie a video camera. Then she took out 21 $10 bills from the bank and bought 21 apples at the supermarket. When they spotted a homeless man, Andrea told him, "Today is my son Max's 21st birthday, and he asked me to give a gift to someone to help him celebrate." She handed the man a $10 bill and an apple. The man smiled into the camera and announced, "Happy birthday, Max." Soon, they passed out their booty to men and women waiting in line at a soup kitchen. In a unified chorus, they wished Max, "Happy birthday." At a pizza parlor, Andrea left $50 and told the owners to feed the hungry. "Happy birthday, Max," they shouted. With one last $10 bill and apple, they stopped at Andrea's sister's office. Unable to contain her laughter or her tears, she bellowed into the camera, "Happy birthday, Max."